When I set up DLV Technologies, SOLIDWORKS was always going to be one of my favourite choices because it is one of the most popular tools used globally. DLV Technologies was set up about a year ago now with a focus as an engineering company and turnkey solution provider targeting the offshore survey industry. It's subsea geotechnical work. All the design work is carried out in-house, the engineering works and the fabrication, all from one place, which I find is, a big helper for clients. It's a huge help by being able to provide detailed 3D images to clients so they can actually see what they're going to get, and we can work through the design process in tandem. Having these tools to visualize the pull forces, the deck forces, the structural integrity and bend moments of the designs. SOLIDWORKS simulation provides that, so I can target exactly within the structure where these pull forces are coming from and how that's impacting it. SOLIDWORKS Visualize is probably one of my favourite features because that's what brings the designs to life. That's helped win various projects just by being able to do that. I think it helps you stand out. Being a startup company, your initial funds to set up are lower. So after researching, I came across Ohmycad and introduced myself to them, and I came across the startup scheme. The startup scheme offered me a reduced rate over a number of years, which was very attractive. So a part of that was the 3D experience program, the traceability of design, the quick access of tools. You have an open web portal where everything can be accessed straight away. You don't have to worry about your hard drive on your computer failing because it's all well backed up, protected. Also, you have the support from the support team. That's invaluable as well as a startup, knowing you've got someone to ask should you need it. When I've interacted with Ohmycad, I've used them numerous times for support and additional training. As CAD providers, I've definitely found Ohmycad advantageous to have. They're proactive, they are keen to support. Try to take advantage of that as much as I can by every opportunity I'll get. I've asked for help, I've asked for training, especially with things like simulation, creating animations, videos, stuff that I wasn't familiar with. SOLIDWORKS has been pivotal because I've been able to demonstrate exactly my capabilities, and I've gone from sitting at home in my office at my desk to now having a fully outfitted warehouse. I would 100% recommend using SOLIDWORKS.